Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzel in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I'm about to share a whole lot of 18-inch by 24-inch canvases, starting with one that isn't even a fluid acrylics. Well, it is fluid acrylics, but it's not in the pouring style. So what I'm showing you right now are the 4 choices that the winner will be able to pick from if your name is drawn as a contributor to the studio in late January, very late January, through the end of February. So there's the first one. It's a dip. You can remove that now if you wouldn't mind. This has so many different techniques it's not even funny. So that's the second choice, and you can remove that now. This is got, oh, that was good. Tipping it forward and backward is good. That's got a lot of metallics. Can you tip that back a little bit? Yeah, that's nice. Even more? Yeah, perfect. So, and then here's the last one. This one has metallics in it as well. So you can tip that forward for me. Yeah, a little bit and back, and some color shifts also. So those are the 4 choices, and now we are going to move those away completely and show you as soon as I adjust my camera a little bit. There we go. Hopefully that'll be okay. Let me just get this up so that you can see a little bit better and zoom in. Yes, okay. So we're in a good position, and I'm not going to give you numbers. I mean, you can make numbers up in your head if you want. But if you like a painting that you see and you're interested in something, then just communicate with me through YouTube and mention the time you saw the painting at. So that's our first 18 by 24, and it's a horizontal, and we're going to move that along. This is our second. I don't guarantee I'll get the numbers right. This is another 18 by 24, as they all will be. So I'm not going to spend too awful long on this. This is actually gallery wrap. That's why it's standing on its own. And we're going to move on to number 3. This is that right side up? Yes, that's Raging River. I haven't even published that video yet. So that's on a black canvas background with the sky above and the sunset and the river. And that's number 4, I think. This is really nice gold, black, gray, white, organic feeling, huge cells. That was a lot of fun to make. Lots of tipping. Okay, so this was a chain pull. I love these chain pulls. I'm just so addicted to doing this. I could do this forever and ever, and it wouldn't hurt my feelings at all. Got great colors. Good tip, honey. Thank you. Next painting. If you want to make a count for me and tell me if we're at... This
is 5. This is 6.
And what we're on is number 6. Okay, that's a nice matte black canvas. If somebody's interested in one of these paintings, they will get a cleanup on the dusty parts of the black, and a nice spray matte finish, and then a gloss coat on the painted parts. So there's a little more work in these, but that's okay because they're worth it. They're beautiful. Okay. This is a lot more subtle than that one was, but it's cool. You might want to tip it forward. It's got some pearl and some color shifts in it. It's a lot easier to see the difference when you tip them forward and back. Oh, that was good. I saw that. So that means maybe the camera will too. Okay, we'll move on. This was a bead pull. So these were plastic Mardi Gras beads, and that was a lot of fun. And the colors are brilliant, just vibrant, and it's a compelling piece of artwork. Anyway, we'll just keep moving on as fast as we can. I love these stripes. This was one of the beginning of a geometric series, and there are color shifts and metallics in all the things I do. You can't always see them in the exhibition right now, but we'll move on. These are my Sea Life series, and that looks upside down to me, but I don't think it is. I think I just picked that way. So Wesley's taken a count, and this is 10. Why don't you turn that upside down for me the other way? I want to see it the other way, because I think that's the way I really wanted it. I don't know which way looks better. Okay, we're done with 10. This is a relatively new series of dustpan pours, and I love this, and I see that there's a couple of little covered over spots on the top of it where I had some gold dots, and that's gonna, all the black on this is gonna get a final coat of gesso where the matte black is, and some gloss on the rest, and it'll be done, and it won't take me too long to do. So we're done with that. This is part of the geometric series, also called the earthquake zone, because it looks like half of side of a building fell off, which I can't quite get past anymore now that I've heard somebody else mention it. That's what it looks like to me every time. So we're good with that one. And now we're going to put the verticals up there. Oh boy, he's going for it. Yes. Nice shot, honey. Okay. Let's see if I can get that all in screen. Okay, we're good. This is this was another dustpan pour, I'm pretty sure. I'm not absolutely 100%, but you want to tip it forward and back. It's got some really great, it's got party dots. It looks like confetti is falling everywhere. And we're good. And you can put that right on the floor if you want, or right back where it came from. That's perfect. I thought this painting was sold, actually, and it's an abstract expressionist piece in the fluid art style with the squeeze bottles, and yeah, it does have some color shifts in there, the green color shifts. Anyway, that's an awesome piece, and somebody may buy that who said they would if they get situated where they're supposed to be. This is another one with lots of color shifts. That could be hanging as a horizontal as well as vertical, so I love these geometrics. They're a lot of fun to make, and they're a lot of fun to look at. Okay, we're good to go. This one really needs to be tipped forward and back because this one changes extremely even as you walk by it. It's got awesome purples in it, and I'm really, really happy with how this turned out. It looks like I used some Rain-X on there, so we have beautiful cells and even more beautiful cells, so we're good to go. This is an earlier 18x24 swipe all over the place, and I think it's a lot of fun. I just love this piece. It's got great colors. It just draws you right in and makes you want to stare at it and look for weird shit. Oop. I'm gonna have to edit that out. Sorry, I apologize to anyone if I offended you. Pirate mouth sneaks in sometimes. This is another favorite of mine, and I'll be remembering this painting because I'll be editing out the word before it. This is a nice swipe. This has got a lot of the Bahama blue I love in it. And it's got some color shifts, but not as many as some of the others. But it's got great drama. It's definitely one of my favorites. And like I said, it's a swipe. And we can move on now. This has been in a couple of shows so far. It looks like I have a little repair to do. It looks like I have a scratch across the bottom front of that. But it's minor, and nothing gesso won't cure. Okay, well, that's too bad. This is one of my favorites. Definitely got some color shifts. You can tip a little more forward too if you want. Yeah, that shows it off very nicely. Thank you, honey. This is another note. This is the one with the python head, purple python head with a black eye. Black eye makeup on my purple python head. Yeah, try and say that 3 times fast. All right, we're gonna move on. This is a wild piece. I'm not sure. I wouldn't change this to a different direction now that I'm looking at it from this angle, but I love the colors in here. I love the drama. It looks like there's just a color storm going on. And it looks like it might even be a redo because I see some Rain-X effect in the lower left-hand corner. Okay, I'll move on. This one I'm never completely sure about, but I'm not sure I would want to do anything else to it either. I like how the second go-around came out. So that's a little different. It's got some bizarre colors. Combinations, different, yeah. This is spooky for me. I don't know why. There's a black space in the top right-hand corner near the center that just looks like a spooky eye or a ghost or something. So, are we done? Oh no, we have another. Yes, we have the paintings that are about to go into the show, and that is the chain pull. And I'm going to start to tell you guys, and my assistant is going to move those every 10 seconds or so, that we have over 430 videos, so if you want to watch some more videos, there's plenty to find on the playlist. If you'd like to buy art, all you have to do is mention it, and I'll give you my email and we'll talk about it. I give classes at the house, private one-on-one in my studio, get to use all my paints, a couple of canvases, satisfaction guaranteed basically. Everybody has a really good time when we come and play. We have a really, really good time. There's a book out called Because I Can. It's on my Amazon link directly below the video. And we're about to get published so that soft covers will be available as soon as possible. And I do hope it's all ready by now, but I don't think so. But you might want to check. If you can only see the ebook is there, you might want to check, once a week or so, because my editor said it was almost ready to go. This is one more of my sea life canvases, and there's color shifts in there, and what a fun pattern. I love using my scoops and my shovels. This is awesome. I love this piece. I can't believe does it have a vertical and a horizontal wire in the back? Oh, there we go. Cool. Excellent. So I think I prefer it in the vertical, honestly. So whatever I haven't told you, give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind, if you like my artwork or my processes. If you want to be in that contest, all you have to do is make a donation to the studio, and I will send you, as long as your email is up to date, I will send you a receipt and a picture of the new upcoming drawing prizes. And that's that. We're done. We should have left that painting right up there, but let's go back. No, let's do the prizes one more time. Put them up one last time and show you what's coming. And that's got nice gold in the center. That's one of them. Tip it forward and remove it. And this is the other one, the next one. Yes, tip it forward and remove it. And we are Priscilla and Wesley. We are Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the front yard in Spring Hill, Florida. This is Priscilla Batzell saying thanks for visiting. I hope you enjoyed the show, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.